Here we go. Oh. Okay, Thursday challenge. We've got a little agility course going on. But we've got to do the whole thing on our hands in a handstand. Let's see who can complete it.
Gone up. Go on. Oh.
Go for the backwards work. Whoa! Oh, he's facing the wrong way. So in more detail, the challenge is one hand in each ladder, up the steps, onto the block, turn around on the block, go onto the hurdle, over that, up the springboard. You want to do a full turn on the springboard and then flick off and land there in the hoop. Next up we have James Denny. Age 22.
Ah, 23.
My bad. Age 23, height 5 foot.
6.5.
5 foot 6.5. How are we feeling before you go?
Just marvellous.
Marvellous, okay, then let's have that positive spirit transfer through to your attempt. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's a good start. He's just failed, not even at the first hurdle, before the first hurdle. He hasn't even got out of bed. Oh, sneaky. Alright, he's got the turn. Alright, yeah, almost.
Shame. Shame. Shame.
How are we feeling, Lydia?
Okay.
Look at that face. So excited. Here we go. Perfect line. Perfect handstand. If you want to learn great handstand technique, look at that right there. Go on, Lydia, get that turn. Whoa, she go for the backwards work. Whoa! Go on, carry on. Technique cannot touch the floor. Here we go, over the head. Oh, good effort. Good effort, good effort. Attempt 2. Attempt number 2.
Oh. Good control. Go on, this is the one. Oh, look at the legs go. Unbelievable.
Come on. Come on! Okay, attempt number 3. Ben Sandbrook, how are we feeling, Ben?
Well, I'm just embarrassed that you've done it before me now. So I've got to do it this time, really.
Hey, some people are just better than others, aren't they?
We'll see, we'll see.
Here we go. Oh, a trick! Oh, it's all over. It's all over. It's all over.
I blame my broken finger.
What's the post-attempt review?
Oh, I tripped. Once done that, it's game over.
Game over.